Hi, I'm Lola. Welcome aboard the math train. Before we move on, we need to choose a difficulty level. Add the numbers. "27." Wow! Add the numbers. 32. 19. 28. 28. Fantastic! Arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. 22. 18. 18. 22. You're so clever! Add the numbers. 50. 60. 10. 50. Fantastic! Add the numbers. 40. 60. 50. 60. Wow! How many more goodies are there in the green box? Five. 2. Wow! How many more goodies are there in the green box? 2. Way to go! Add the numbers. 70. 10. 60. 70. Amazing! Add the numbers. 30. 50. 60. 30. You're as smart as a panda. Add the numbers. 40. 50. 60. 60. Fantastic! Find the numbers that when you add them together make 10. Hurry up! Time's up! Amazing! Now we can pick out a costume. Take one and put it on the train. You're as smart as a panda. Add the numbers. 33. 40. 33. Way to go! Add the numbers. 40. 32. 38. 32. Wow! Add the numbers. 24. 23. 40. 41. You're so clever! Pick all the odd numbers. Fantastic! Pick all the even numbers. Which shapes are missing? Amazing! Which shapes are missing? Fantastic! Arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. 18, 4. 18, 4. You're so clever! Arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. 12, 6. You're so clever! Find the greatest sum. 20. Way to go! Find the biggest result. Hurry up! Time's up! Way to go! Good job! Now we get another costume. Pick one and put it on. You're as smart as a panda. Do the subtraction. 11, 11. Wow! Do the subtraction. 8. Amazing! Do the subtraction. 27. You're so clever! Arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. 5. 13. 17. Amazing! Which number is missing from the equation? 5. Amazing! Which number is missing from the equation? 8. Way to go! Which number is missing from the equation? 7. You're as smart as a panda. Do the multiplication. 15. Way to go! Add the numbers. 39. Way to go! Add the numbers. 40. Wow! Find the biggest result. Hurry up! Time's up! Amazing! You are such a great helper. Put another. Amazing! Amazing! Do the subtraction. 26. You're so clever! Do the subtraction. 28. Fantastic! Do the subtraction. 25. Fantastic! Arrange the numbers from smallest to big 3. 13. 15. You're so clever! Which number is missing from the equation? 17. 8. You're as smart as a panda. Which number is missing from the equation? 9. Wow! Which number is missing from the equation? 9. Fantastic! Do the multiplication. 20. You're as smart as a panda. Add the numbers. 40. Fantastic! Add the numbers. 60. Way to go! Find the biggest result. Find the biggest result. Hurry up! Time's up! Wow! Amazing! Now you can pick one more costume. You're as smart as a panda. Do the subtraction. 13. You're as smart as a panda. Do the subtraction. 4. Wow! Do the subtraction. 22. Way to go! Arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. 5, 15, 19. You're so clever! Which number is missing from the equation? 8. Way to go! Which number is missing from the equation? 8. Amazing! Which number is missing? 8. You're as smart as a panda. Do them. 18. You're as smart as a panda. Add the numbers. 28. Way to go! Add the numbers. 36. Way to go! Find the biggest result. Find the biggest result. Hurry up! Time. Amazing! You are so smart. Let's put a fifth costume on the train. Way to go! Add the numbers. 40. Fantastic! Add the numbers. 33. Way to go! Add the numbers. 33. You're so clever! Pick all the odd numbers. Wow! Pick all the even numbers. Wow! Which shapes are missing? Fantastic! Which shapes are missing? You're as smart as a panda. Arrange the numbers from biggest to 8, 6. Fantastic! Arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. 8, 8, 6. You're as smart as a panda. Find the greatest sum. 19. Way to go! Find the biggest result. Hurry up! Find the biggest result. Time. Fantastic! Awesome! This is the last. Amazing!